I particularly find this place special because when my lovely mum died a couple of years ago, I was obviously very upset, and I came up here one day and Amos was so sweet and said, why don't you plant a tree for her or do something special for her? So when I went back to her house, I found some old seed packets, and with all her good intentions, they were supposed to have been planted, but they were completely out of date and were just dust, basically. So I bought comparisons, so whatever flowers that she had hoped to plant, I bought the same, and then I put her dusty ones and my new ones in for her, and took a few plants from her garden as well, and just did a tiny little bed. And there's a rose bush here as well called My Lovely Mum, which we have on her grave as well. So that's very nice to have here, and so when I come up I have a little word with her as if she's here, and it's really nice to, you know, think about her whilst I'm gardening.
When my mother died a couple of years ago, and there's a robin that used to come here, particularly in the winter months, just after she died, and it really felt like it was my mother, and I don't know if other people have similar experiences, but I did say that to somebody else, and she said yes, sometimes robins do come back as spirits of people who are no longer here. So that was really poignant for me.